To connect your Robinhood account to a Phantom wallet, start by opening the Robinhood app and activating crypto transfers. This can be done by navigating to the Crypto tab and verifying your identity. If you haven't already, verification involves providing your details, after which you'll be able to activate your transfers. Additionally, enable two-factor authentication by clicking on the profile icon, then the three-dot menu, and selecting Security and Privacy, followed by two-factor authentication. Choose your preferred method, such as device approvals, authenticator app, or text messages, and enter the 6-digit code sent to your registered mobile number. Once two-factor authentication is set up, open your Phantom wallet and click the Receive button. Select the cryptocurrency you want to receive, such as Ethereum, and you'll be given a wallet address. Copy this address. Then return to the Robinhood app and select the Cryptos option. Find the same cryptocurrency you selected in your Phantom wallet, such as Ethereum, and scroll down to the Send option. Click on Send and enter the amount you want to transfer. Click Enter manually and paste the wallet address you copied from your Phantom wallet. Review the transfer details. Confirm the withdrawal and withdraw amount, and click Transfer to complete the process. This will initiate the transfer of your cryptocurrency from Robinhood to your Phantom wallet.